So today we are here to discuss about how to use MDI and what is it actually. So we have two people with us. First is our chief guest, Dr. Devashish Nanda, and a demonstrator, Dr. Manas Tripathi, and myself, Dr. Rohan Nathwani. So get it back to Dr. Devashish Nanda.
Good evening. I am Dr. Debashish Nanda. So today it's a very short topic on metered dose inhaler. So basically, I'm going to talk about what it is and how to use it. So let's get going. So metered dose inhaler, what happens? The aerosolized form of the drug is inhaled by the patient himself without the help from any healthcare worker. Now, in cases like asthma or COPD, the metered dose inhaler, it is the most commonly used form of drug delivery system. The common drugs used in MDI are usually corticosteroids, bronchodilators, but sometimes drugs like mast cell stabilizers are also used, but they're very less oftenly used, like sodium chromoglycate, ketotifen, and all. So this is a Lancet journal published on 9th of April 2021. So all the fuss about metered dose inhaler in COVID-19 started when the journal came out. It stated that inhaled budesonide can be used in early cases of mild disease of COVID-19. After this, the AIMS protocol on 3rd of May 2021, it came out and it stated that inhalational budesonide 800 microgram BD twice a day can be given if the symptoms like fever, cough, tachypnea are persisting even after the 5th day of the disease. So what are the parts of a metered dose inhaler? See, there are three parts of the metered dose inhaler. You can see the canister, the plastic holder, and the cap. The canister is a part which stores the drug. Then there comes the plastic holder, and the cap covers the mouthpiece. Now, metered dose inhaler is also used with a spacer. You can see the canister and the plastic holder. Then you can see the cap. So the hollow cylinder between the inhaler and the cap is the spacer. So what is the use of spacing? Basically, metered dose inhaler with spacing is recommended in highly infectious cases like COVID-19, when there is high risk of aerosolization if you use MDI without spacing. Or if someone like some old patient who is unable to coordinate between the pressing of the canister and inhalation of the drug, so he can just press the canister so that the drug flows to the spacer. Then he can slowly inhale the drug from the spacer. So this is the use of the spacer. Now let's go to the demonstration part, which will be done by Dr. Manas Tripathi.
And so now we have Dr. Manas Tripathi who is going to demonstrate about the MDI and how to use it. So let's give it up to Manas Tripathi.
Okay, this is what is called a metered dose inhaler, and I'm here to demonstrate on how to use it. As shown in a previous slide, it contains of three parts. This thing is called the canister. This is the plastic one, and this is the cap. When we open it, we get the mouthpiece. Okay, so before using it, we shake it just like this for a few seconds. For first-time users, what they have to do is just press the canister once to ensure uninterrupted burst of the medicine. After that, what we have to do, we have to just look at one side and then exhale slowly, just like this. Exhale slowly. After that, here comes the tricky part. Now we have to coordinate breathing in for some time and pressing the canister to release the medicine. So first I'm going to demonstrate it, then I'll explain it. I exhaled once.
Now Dr. Manas Tripathi is waiting for count of 10 to ensure that the drug properly flows inside the lungs.
I waited for 10 seconds as Dr. Devashish explained it to ensure proper supply to the lungs. And after that, I exhaled slowly medicine out. Now, after this, what we have to do? Sometimes what happens, there may be some residual medicine present in the mouth. So for that, what we have to do? We have to do a mouth gargle and rinse the mouth for some time, so as to ensure the medicine remains only in the lungs, not in the mouth or any of its part. And so this is how you use a meter dose inhaler. Thank you.
Back to Dr. Rohan.
So thank you so much, Dr. Manas Tripathi, for your enlightening words. And Debashish Nanda also, thank you so much for coming as a guest. And thank you so much, everyone.